friends, it's Noe, and yes, I'm back. If you've been around since the color is my weapon era, first of all, I'd like to say thank you so much for your support all these years. And secondly, you might be wondering where the heck I've been. Well, short story, we moved to the US and I became a full-time stay-at-home mom. Somewhere in between the diapers, the school pickups, YouTube just was placed in the back burner. But here's the thing, I've missed it, and most importantly, I missed you. Aww. This time around, it's gonna be a little different though. There will be occasional makeup tutorials, makeup get ready with me's, but largely that is not my life right now. And I'd like you all to be part of this season of my life and have a little dash of makeup here and there. I want this channel to be a place for moms to come together to share our common interests and everything that comes with motherhood. The good, the bad, the ugly, and of course, girly things, because we moms deserve it all. And if that's your vibe, you should be part of this tribe. Yeah, thought of that myself. Anyway, I'm so excited for the first vlog to premiere very soon. Keep your eyes peeled. Don't forget to hit like, comment if you're excited, or if you're not, you know, we don't judge here. And subscribe to this channel if you are gonna be part of this new chapter. I'm so excited, and I hope you are too. And yeah, I'll see you on the first vlog. Thank you so much for being here. Bye. That was not bad. It's not bad at all. Is this thing on? Oh my gosh, do I know what to say? OMG, hello. Oh my goodness.